Hey guys, welcome to another weekly gold XAU price prediction and analysis video. So as usually in this video we are going to analyze gold chart on the basis of different time frames, and we are going to check the various price action levels and structure so that we can utilize those levels and those structure in upcoming week. So we will start with the latest COT report, and you know that we generally look into the positions of managed money. Managed money means they are smart player, and we can say that whenever they change and whenever they move their positions in the gold, that directly impact the price of gold, and we have seen it in the past. If you are following me in my recent prediction videos and if you are following me in my Telegram channel, we generally look at their position. These are the banks, the smart one. Okay, so for this week, if we look into their positions, the net positions in the gold, so in this column you can see that in the long they still covering their long position, or they are decreasing their positions in the long. And this time you can see that this time they added a very big number in the short positions. This right over here, if we look it on the chart, this is the chart of 3-month period from here to from this to this period. This is the 3-month period chart, and the blue bar, these blue bar, these blue bar are the net long positions, and this brown one is the short position, this right over here, this one. So if you check it on the chart this time, you can see they are covering from their long, and you can see they are decreasing their long from this week, this particular week. And this time you can see they are added a good quantity in the short. As you can see, this is a good jump. Previously in previous week these are the net short position, but this time they added a very good number, and you can see we have a good increment in the net short positions. And if we check it on our chart, if we check it on candlestick chart, you can see that in the previous week, this is the Monday opening, in previous week COT report, if I go back from here, these were the position -9217 in the long, and they added a good number 12186 in the short. So this one right over here, this is mentioned on the chart. I already mentioned it on the chart in Monday opening, and as you can see we have clearly a good move in the previous week, and we have seen a good steep decline, as you can see from the chart. From here the price was around 1912 to 195, and we have seen a very good decline. Before that also, if we check it on the chart, the positions of the COT commitment of trader report, you can see from that week, this one is the position from the 7th August, and we have seen a good decline. That time also they decreased their net long positions, and they added a good number in the short. So we have seen a good decline. And before that also, you can see they decreased a good number of long position, -15041, and they added good quantity in the short. Okay, so that mean whenever they change their positions, the price directly, we can see the impact of the price in gold chart. So as per the current COT report, this is the positions. So they still are covering their long. You can clearly see over here, this right over here, but this time the number is small, but as you can see the number in the short is a big number. So they building position in the short positions. So overall sentiment from the COT is still bearish. okay, because they are not adding in the long and they still covering their long and they putting money in the short. So this directly showing a bearish sentiment and they are not bullish at gold right now for this week. So we have to look for the positions of sell in the price action point. So what we can do, let's discuss that on price action chart. This is the 30-minute chart right over here, you can see, and I already shared this chart in Telegram channel many times, and you can clearly see that in the upside this red trend line is the major resistance. In every trading session we have seen that price failed to break above this trend line. It is very simple to implement and it is very simple to check. We do not need to do too much analysis, we just have to look at the simple price action. Okay, so at this point also you can see a rejection over price from this trend line, and in yesterday trading session or Friday trading session also we have seen a rejection from this trend line. So every time price tried to break above this, price get rejected. So this is the major price action move that we can consider. So under this trend line we just have to look for the sell opportunities toward the lower level, and in the bottom side, as you can see previously, this green trend line was acting as support, but price break down it from here, and now we have a new trend line like this one, green. So if we extend this, then we can use it as support on intraday time frame, or you can say 30-minute time frame. You can use 1 hour time frame also and you will get the same movement. So if we extend it like this, so we can expect further decline as per the price movement, because recently price rejected from this area or this price level. So further decline is possible unless gold price not able to break above this trend line. So we have to look for the sell opportunity only as per the intraday time frame. And if we look it on the bigger time frame, this is the daily time frame, you can see right over here. And if we check it, if we check the price action, this was the trend line that gold price following, as you can see, and price break down it from here around 193840 level and currently trading under this trend line. This was the previous good support and currently price trading below this level. The price was 1893 support level and currently closing under that. So under that we can expect further decline. To go above to current price need to break above to previous high and have to close the candle above that price, but that seems very difficult because we can clearly see a big selling pressure on gold on daily time frame. And if we talk in terms of intraday scenario, but before that let me show you the next support level. I already said the chart. If we implement and if we apply Fibonacci chart, Fibonacci levels, this right over here, as you can see previously gold tested this high and then took support near to this level. So if we apply Fibonacci from here to here like this, this was the golden ratio zone, this one, and gold failed to break above this zone. As you can see, no candle able to cross the 50%, and every time gold tested this level, gold price rejected and we have seen a big decline. Now if we talk in terms of Fibonacci extension, if we apply extension from here to here, this right previous low, like this. As you can see, just a second. As you can see, the previous low was around this level and the high was around this level, so further decline is still possible. And this right over here, so okay, this one right here, roughly we can take this. So as you can see, price is rejecting and the extension can possible to 1871 to 1872. Roughly we can consider this level as a support level right over here. So in terms of Fibonacci support and in Fibonacci extension, we can consider this level as a good support level. Okay, so we have to watch this level carefully in the bottom side. And in terms of next day CPR, as you can see, currently price is closing below to this CPR previous day, and next day CPR is about to current price closing. So below that we have to look for the sell only. But if price able to break above, then we have to wait how price going to react on this trend line. Then we can look for buy opportunity for short term. And in the upside, this level 1900 to 19005 is a good volume price area. So under this we have to look for the sell. But if price is break above from this zone, then we can expect some correction of price from that level and we can look for buy opportunities. And if we check the levels on gold future open interest heat map, these are the level that we can consider. From the current close price 1889, this level 1875 is a good level of support as per quarters theory, and 1880 also a good support. Above that, above to current closing price 1900 is a major resistance on open interest chart heat map. So we are going to discuss more about these levels and these structure in live trading session in live Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.